Okay, so here is what PROA Portal looks like. And when you first get to PROA Portal, it'll look like this, and you'll need to log in over here on the left side. So your username is your Power Campus number, which should have come on your acceptance letter. Your number is usually only a few digits. It's typically about 5 digits. However, when you log into PROA Portal, it's really important that you put 4 zeros in front of it. So it should be 0, 0, 0, 0, and then that number that you were given. You'll put in your password, and that'll get you into PROA Portal. Now, PROA Portal, when you arrive, looks something like this. And from here, you'll need to start searching for what classes are on your IDP. So you'll look at your IDP, and these are all the courses you're going to take before you graduate at NMC. So down here at the very bottom of the IDP, we have a suggested sequence or a suggested order. And so you see here listed are a good set of classes that are prerequisites or classes that you need to take to get into other classes. And so these are good ideas for you to start with. So you see there's English, Math, BE 111, College Success, and you see all these listed right here. So what you're going to do if you have a NDU math or non-degree unit math or English, you will want to sign up for these because these are really important to get you on track to graduate on time. So let's say that you need to take College Success BE 111. What you'll do is on PROA Portal, you'll go to search and you'll go to section search. And when you go to section search, you'll type in BE 111. That is the course that we just talked about, College Success. It's a good course to take your first year of college. And it's about how to be successful as a student in college. And so you'll click search. And once you do that, that'll show you all the College Success courses that are available. Now, when you start to look at these, you'll see some of these are red and the book is closed, and some are green and the book is open. And if it's red and the book is closed, that means that the class is closed or you cannot get into that class anymore. Okay, so notice down here there's more than one page. So this is the first page, but there are more pages of these classes. So when you're looking at this, it has the date, so when the course will actually take place, if it's a summer course, if it's a fall course. It also has the time that it will be. It has the number of credits that the class is, and it has who will be teaching the class. Okay, so you have, this is the class BE 111, and ON02 means online section 2. And so if this is one of the classes that you want to take, you can click it. For me, as an instructor, it doesn't have a space for me to take the course, but you can click it and add it to your cart. And then once you've added all the courses you think you want to take your first year or your this semester, then you can just take a screenshot of that and send it to me. Now, if you're like, what's BE 111? I just don't know. You can click here and notice there's this little pop-up that says what the course is. The purpose is to assist students making a successful transition to college life and adult life beyond college. Okay, so this will give you details about what the course is, that blue part. Now, other things are if it's not online, you want to look at the time because you don't want your time and days of the week to overlap. So notice right here, this one is Tuesday, Thursday from 10 a.m. till 11:25 a.m. And so you wouldn't want to schedule another class during that time. If you have any questions, let me know.